Hi besties, how are you doing? Greetings and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I believe you guys are doing well. So guys, in today's video I want to share with you guys how to use your lightening product without looking like someone that bleaches skin or without having any irritation. Okay, so this video is about how to properly use your lightening product without having any skin issues. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So guys, the first thing you need is a gentle cleanser. Okay, so this is my gentle cleanser. I don't use this, I'm going to be very honest. Okay, I don't use this often because it breaks me out a lot. So use any gentle cleanser of your choice. Okay, first I clean my face with a gentle cleanser. Okay, after that I wait a little, I allow my face to dry up, then I go in with this. I use this every day. This is detox soap. So you go in with your soap, okay, and clean your body. This is my face and body soap. Okay, so guys, after you are done with your soap, the next thing you need to do is to exfoliate your skin. Use a body scrub. Okay, so I'll leave two different body scrub that you can use that will not irritate your skin. They will not react badly. They will help to exfoliate your skin really well. They will remove the dull skin cell and allow the new ones to come up, so that when you use your product they will absorb very well and work beautifully for you. Okay, so after you are done with your body scrub, next thing you need to do is to rinse your body. Okay, I always tell people to wash their body first, like use your soap first before your body scrub. Okay, so after you are done with it, the next thing you need to do is to move to your cream. Okay, so this is, I use two face creams. This is my vitamin C face fat vitamin C. I use this on my face. This is a natural vitamin C. Like, it doesn't bleach the face, it doesn't bleach the skin, it doesn't irritate the skin. Every skin type can use this. This is natural, it's for all skin type. Okay, so this is a brightening vitamin C. See guys, let me be very honest, it doesn't too brighten the face. So I first of all go in with this. I apply this. Okay, after tuning your face. Okay, after you are done tuning your face, you use this. So after this, the next thing you need is a brightening face cream. Okay, you need a brightening face cream. So you use your natural face cream first, you apply it first, then use your brightening face cream. This is the brightening face cream I use. It brightens the skin, like it lightens the skin a little, not too much. Okay, so this is egg yolk face cream. Is a brightening face cream, though yeah, it is written that it whitens the face, that it is for acne, pimples, balls, dark spot, dark areas, smooth and whitening. Guys, this does not whiten the face, because I've been using this for a while now. It doesn't whiten the face, it just lightens the face a little. Okay, so another thing I also use is this is a retinol. I use this once in a while. Like, you can be using this once every week. Okay, this is a retinol, guys. If you don't know how to use this, it will ruin your face. Okay, so this is very good when it comes to getting rid of acne, fine lines, wrinkles. It makes the face look youthful, okay, and radiant. So this is very good for acne. If you haven't started using retinol, you're amazing. But before you use retinol, please make sure you know much about retinol before you use retinol. Okay, okay, so guys, after I'm done, the next thing I use is a sunscreen. Okay, this is a sunscreen. This is Dr. Rachel 60% of SPF. It contains 60% of SPF in it. This is a Dr. Rachel sunscreen. It is anti-aging and it is a moisture sun cream. This is very good. It tries when it comes to protecting your skin, you know, your face from sun damage. This is very good. It is not too expensive, yeah, and it works. One thing I love about this sunscreen is the fact that it doesn't leave white scars on the face. Okay, it easily absorbs. When you use this, you know, it easily absorbs into the skin. This is very good. Okay, so you apply any sunscreen of your choice. Okay, so when you are done, the next thing you need is your body cream. Okay, this is my body cream. This is a moisturizer. This is Nivea Radiant and Beauty. This is very good. Like, yeah, if you haven't seen my review on this product, you are missing out. Go and check. So the next thing I use is this. It is not thick. It is not thick, okay? It is not thick, as you can see. It is not thick. It smells so nice. I like the fragrance. I love the fragrance. It easily absorbs into the skin. So guys, this is not a lightening cream. This is not a lightening cream, though on it is written that it contains 95% of vitamin C, pure vitamin C, and it is also written that it contains 15% of SPF in it. It is not a brightening or a lightening cream, okay? Let me say it's a brightening cream. It will just brighten, but it's not a lightening or whitening cream, okay? It will just even your skin. So all you need to do is apply your natural a moisturizer first into your skin. So after you are done applying a moisturizer first into your skin, the next thing you need is to apply your whitening cream, okay? Any whitening cream of your choice. That's the next thing you need to do to apply it, okay? So you get your whitening cream and apply it. This will help to prevent it from, giving you green veins. This whitening cream is not going to give you green veins. It's not going to give you knuckles on your finger. It is not going to make you, your skin will look bleached, something like that. It's not going to do that. It will just give you this radiant, even beautiful glow, okay? Okay, so another thing I have here is this. It's been a while I used this. Thinking of start using it again, so I'm going to start using it. This is a natural pink lip balm. Okay, so it also works. If you want, when you are done, you just apply it. If you don't want to apply a pink lip balm, you just apply your wet lips on your lip, and go to bed. Oh, you go out, guys. Like if you want that beautiful light complexion, that beautiful glow. You don't want this you don't want your skin to look bleach, you want your skin to look natural, like naturally beautiful. Your skin will glow. You want this light skin that will look natural. So try this method. This is the proper way to use a lightening product without having any skin issues. You come and thank me because it works. Okay guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section, okay? See you on my next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you join the family, okay? And when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to us so that you will notify each time I upload a new video. Thank you. See you on the next video. I love you guys. Bye.